We had the awesome opportunity to take Adrienne Johnston, CEO from CareerSource Florida, on a campus tour of USF today to be introduced to many of the mini camps that our summer youth participants are engaged in this summer. And so it's a really wonderful opportunity for our students in our local area to get exposed to not only the post-secondary experience, but also high-wage, in-demand career pathways in our region.
These summer camps here at USF are incredibly impressive. What a wonderful partnership with CareerSource Tampa Bay. What I've seen today are students who get an opportunity to see things that they otherwise never would get to experience. They're exploring careers that I don't think I've even heard of before, and they have an opportunity to really explore what they want to do, see if it really is a good fit for them, and maybe if not, they can go to something else, but they're getting that exposure early, which is so important.
It really just gives them the opportunity to get on a college campus, to experience what a college campus looks like, envision themselves here as a student. So we really value any opportunity and any partnership that allows us to further that work and to expand our programs so that more kids have access. We want summer programs to be attainable. We've talked about how there's no better time to explore a career than when you're a kid at summer camp.